Now that it's getting cold outside, here are 3 DIY things you need to do to get your car ready for winter. Top off your windshield wiper fluid. Just open up your hood and locate this windshield fluid reservoir, which will have this logo on top. Now, remove the cap. Make sure you're using a winter formula where it can withstand cold temperatures and not risk freezing up. You can use a funnel to help with the pouring. Keep filling until the reservoir is full. With windshield wiper fluid, you don't have to worry about overfilling. Once it's full, just secure the cap back in place. Change your windshield wipers. Wiper blades should be changed every 6 months to maintain optimal performance. Before you start, make sure you get the right-sized blades for your year, make and model of vehicle. To begin, pull the wiper arms to the upright position. Here we're changing a J-hook style arm, which is the most common style out there. The blades are typically locked into place with a small tab. Press down on the tab and pull back to release the wiper. Slide the new blade opening up against the hook until it locks into place. Depending on the brand of wiper blades, there may be an additional cover that snaps over. Give the blades a good tug to ensure the wiper is secure. Check your tire pressure. Tires will lose air through normal driving and pressure will lower when the weather gets cold. Start by checking the correct amount of PSI needed. You'll find this information on the sticker right by the door frame. Next, uncover the tire pressure valve cap. Using a tire pressure monitor, press it firmly against the valve to check the existing tire pressure. If the pressure is low, add more air until the tire reaches the correct PSI indicated for your vehicle. We like the digital pumps where you can easily set your PSI and the pump will automatically stop when it's reached. Once the air is filled, simply replace the valve cap. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.